subscribe in my Budgie page to Budgie making. And I also would want to know if spraying water on the female would help in fertilization, and what's the best food, what's the best treats for them to have. And if anyone who wants to have some females. Now you see these two here, they don't usually talk. I want to ask if anything else helps to help them to get together again. No, it's not mating at the moment. Hoping it does. Oh, there we are. Right, these are the male and female that are mating up. The other two on that, then they're not mating. They just don't know what they're doing. Please do like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. About 4 minutes long. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Bye guys.